Let's talk about nose contouring. The obsession with a sleek and pointy nose is real, but you don't have to get a surgical procedure done to get that perfect looking nose. All you need is a couple of concealers and patience to watch this video till the end. This is a step-by-step guide on how to contour your nose. If you're new to the Be Beautiful channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell for future updates. So are you ready to witness the power of nose contouring? I'm about to show you 2 trending nose contouring tricks. First things first, let me introduce you to all the products you need to contour your nose. Starting with 2 different shades of concealer. I'm going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer in the shade Beige as my lighter shade and the shade Cocoa as my darker shade. And of course, the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Ivory to make the nose area pop like a cherry on a cake. Before we start contouring, it's crucial to lay a solid foundation of your makeup by prepping up your base and then setting it with a powder. The powder helps in keeping your base intact. First, I'll show you how to create a button nose. It's a contouring technique that can give you a cute little slightly upturned nose just like a button. So to do a button nose contour, take the darkest concealer shade and draw 2 parallel thin lines down the sides of your bridge of your nose. Here's what that looks like. And then at the start of your nostrils, make a small horizontal line. And then push your nose up and make another horizontal line, like running parallel at the fold. To add a little bit of contrast, apply the lighter concealer on the bridge of your nose and a little inside the 2 horizontal lines. Time to blend all of these lines. Ensure to take your own sweet time while blending and apply very little pressure. Now once that's done, take a little bit of highlighter and apply it on the top center of the bridge of your nose and a little on the tip of your nose. And then all you have to do is just blend it out really well. And you're done. Next, I'm going to show you how to achieve a sharp nose. A sharp nose contour is a makeup technique used to create the illusion of a more defined and pointed nose. Okay, so using the darker shade of the concealer, draw a straight line from the start point of your eyebrows and take it along the bridge of the nose. For the appearance of a sharp nose shape, draw the lines close together but leave some space between them. When you reach the tip of the nose, connect the 2 parallel lines. Add a little bit of the lighter concealer between the 2 parallel lines. Blend all of this and then run a little highlighter along the centermost part of your nose. And you're done. So girls, that was my step-by-step guide on how you can embody the power of nose contouring. These techniques are not only free of cost but also make you a pro at face makeup. Try them out and let me know in the comments how they worked out for you. Also, side note, you're gorgeous just the way you are, and you must use makeup to accentuate your features and not change them. All we want to do is help you be more confident and more beautiful inside out. Before I sign off, don't forget to show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our Be Beautiful channel, and make sure to ring that bell icon for all the latest notifications. Bye!